The 2026 BMW S1000RR isn't just fast, it's devastatingly precise. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving into BMW's latest superbike masterpiece that's redefining what a leader bike can do. Design. BMW has sharpened the S1000RR's aggressive stance even further. The asymmetric headlight design remains iconic, but it's now sleeker and more aerodynamic. New winglets improve downforce at speed, while the carbon fiber bodywork sheds precious pounds. The LED lighting suite is sharper, and the color schemes, especially the M Sport livery, make this bike look like it's moving while standing still. Performance. Under the fairing sits a refined 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 producing over 200 horsepower. The engine delivers explosive power throughout the rev range, but it's the chassis that steals the show. The updated suspension geometry and electronics package make this bike incredibly stable at triple-digit speeds yet nimble through tight corners. Whether you're carving canyons or attacking a track, the S1000RR adapts effortlessly. Features and technology. BMW's tech suite is class-leading. The 6.5-inch TFT display is crisp and intuitive. Multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS give you confidence in any condition. The quick shifter is buttery smooth, and the optional M package adds launch control and GPS lap timers for track enthusiasts. Conclusion. The 2026 S1000RR proves BMW still leads the superbike segment. If this review helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Drop a comment below, would you take this over its rivals? Thanks for watching Next Gen Reviews.